Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to update Audi A3 navigation maps. Start by locating your MMI settings and noting the software version, then verify the storage capacity on your SD card or USB drive. Download the official map package that matches your MMI version and place the files on the formatted drive. Prepare to follow the MMI prompts during installation and keep your car battery charged to prevent interruptions. Begin by formatting a dedicated SD card or USB drive to the file system your MMI supports, then copy the entire map package exactly as provided. Do not rename files or alter folders, and avoid using third-party file managers that might hide extensions. Keep a backup of original navigation data on a separate drive just in case. Make sure the drive is readable on a PC before inserting it into your Audi to avoid install errors. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hearing turn-by-turn prompts aloud and streaming driving playlists without distraction, plus it fits easily in a cup holder. I find it handy for long trips while I focus on the update process. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With your drive ready, insert it into the Audi while the ignition is on and follow the MMI on-screen instructions to start the update. The system may restart several times. Do not interrupt power or remove the drive during this process. Once installation finishes, the MMI will reboot and show the new map version. Finally, test navigation by entering a route to confirm that maps and POIs updated correctly and your settings remained intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.